Eat what you love and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Let's prepare this amazing almond salmon with cauliflower. It is delicious. It's gonna be enough for 4, so serve the whole fillet because if you cut it into 4 pieces, it's gonna look a little bit small. Now, let's prepare the seasoning. We have some grated ginger with pepper, some garlic, some grated chipotle, garam marsala spice that you can get in supermarkets all around. But if you can't, I'll give you the recipe. Then we're gonna add just a teaspoon of honey for that special touch. An amazing recipe, and it's delicious. A little bit of salt and pepper. But you're gonna love. It's gonna be just like going to the finest restaurants, and the best thing is it's gonna help you lose weight. So we're gonna mix all the seasonings up first, and then we're gonna add some almond milk. And you can add any other milk if you want to. You can add regular milk, but we're using almond milk because this is an almond salmon that is delicious. Place the salmon in the baking pan, the raw cauliflower florets, and drizzle all this delicious seasoning on top of it. That's all you have to do. It's amazingly simple and delicious, full of flavor and phytonutrients. Now we're going to add some slivered almonds or some sliced almonds on top of everything, the salmon and the cauliflower, and spread them over the whole dish. We're going to bake our salmon at 425 for 15 minutes. This is looking beautiful. Then we place the salmon in the platter and we add some room temperature Greek yogurt to our cauliflower and mix it with all the pan drippings and every flavor that we have. This is gonna make a delicious meal. And believe me, if you eat this way, you can eat like a king or queen and never gain weight. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable, and eating it before any of the carbs is gonna help you control your blood sugar level, and so you're not gonna gain weight. This delicious dish of salmon and cauliflower is gonna make you feel like you're eating out deliciously. With Chef Pachi, delicious food is at the tip of your hands, and also being fit, strong, and healthy always. Chef Pachi. Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.